I've been sitting here thinking about all the things you do for me, how you make me. I'm wondering if it's the same for you, but when you're not around.
Hello my lovely beautiful gorgeous people, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, wonderful, well. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. I just forgot to move some things off of my desk. Anywho, it's a collective haul for you guys today, and I know you guys are going to love some of the things I am going to be showing you in today's video, so please stay tuned. Let's get right into this video. We are going to start with my lovely camera. This is my Lumix Panasonic camera. This is an amazing camera. It has a flip screen, okay? It is amazing. It took me a while to get used to all of the settings on this camera to make it look the way that I want it to look, white balance, etc., because I'm not very tech savvy when it comes to cameras. Anywho, the issue I was having with this camera was that the images were not getting transferred to my computer, and I have a feeling it was the battery and the SIM card, because this is the charger here. Of course, this is in the UK, and I do have a conversion, but every time I plug my battery in to get charged, I always step over it. So this is the battery here for my Lumix camera. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it split in two. That's because I'm always kicking it, stepping on it, and all of this nonsense. Anyway, so I do have this package hasn't been opened yet. So this is the new SIM card, because since I got that camera, I've never ever got a SIM card for that camera. And of course, this packaging here is the new battery for my camera. So I'm just going to open this quickly. I haven't opened the package yet, so I thought we could just do this all today on camera. And I don't know if it's going to fit. We're just going to open up the package quickly here. I don't want to waste too much time. And I'm hoping that this is going to make a big difference with my camera, because I'm promised myself I'm going to be taking better care of charging it. So this is the new battery. So we are just going to put the new battery in. Oh, perfect. And of course, this is the new SIM card. So we're just going to pop this baby open, and hopefully this will work. Let's just pull this out. Normally when I'm doing unboxings, I like to take the products out to save time, but I just wanted to do some on camera with you guys. So this is the new memory card, so we're just going to stick that in. Let's see which way this goes. There we go. All right, so I am going to see if this is going to work. I'm going to do some test shots with my camera, okay? And hopefully you guys can see me there. Hopefully it's going to work, and maybe I think it was the camera, I'm sorry, it was the battery and the SIM card that was the problem. So we've got that taken out. Let me just put everything aside. This is the old battery, the old SIM card, and hopefully it's going to perform better. And I promise I'm not going to be stepping on it. Okay, so we got that out of the way. So I picked up some brushes from the dollar store. This is the Bunny Professional Face Sculpting Collection, and here it is. You do have like a powder brush, an eye brush, maybe like a contour brush, and it comes with a beauty blender as well. This is a full package. This was only $5 from the dollar store. Great for a gift item as well. Really cute, because I think I needed some new brushes. And I picked up two perfumes from Zara, and guys, oh my god, I'm going to turn this around in a second to show you guys the price of these perfumes. The one I'm wearing today is called Go Fruity, but first of all, let me show you the price. Take a look at the price of this perfume. Okay, this is from Zara, and I'm gonna tell you something. Just when you think I've smelled great perfumes, This smells amazing. Oh my God, I gotta tell you something. When you put this on, oh my God, I'm ready to fall off my seat. This smells incredible. This perfume was $13.90. It was on sale for $7.99. You are going to get a very long wear out of this perfume. Again, it's called Go Fruity from Zara, and I do have another one. And this one here, this is the price of it, okay? This is the Wonder Rose, and there it be. You guys are gonna see a close-up shot of this. It smells dynamite. Oh my God. Oh, you guys, run to Zara, sprint to Zara, and get yourselves these perfumes. Again, it's called Go Fruity, and this one is called Wonder Rose. You are going to absolutely love this perfume. And I understand now why so many people have tons and tons of perfumes in their collection, because every single scent is so unique. Every single scent is so different. I mean, you feel different, you feel really sexy and beautiful. It's almost like a different personality every time you wear one of these different perfumes. It's just amazing. So next, I do have a little fashion haul for you guys, and again, this is from Zara. You're going to see these things on, and you guys are going to love these things. These are shirts. First of all, I am so into silk lately. I never used to wear anything that's silky, but I'm learning to love it right now. This is a beautiful red silky shirt, of course, long sleeve. It feels really, really soft. I don't have anything red when it comes to a shirt in my collection. This is a size large, and it's $39.90. And it fits so beautifully. You can wear this open as a jacket, as you can see in the video, or you can just wear this just buttoned up as usual. This is going to look perfect tucked in. I am not very good at doing the tuck, but I'm learning to do that. It's going to look so sexy. And if you're going out, let's say on a summer evening, you would just want to throw this on as a jacket with a tank top and a belt, this is going to look absolutely perfect. This is so beautiful, and I love the fact that the back is nice and long, and it covers the butt nicely. If you're very self-conscious about the butt, about your behind, you know what I'm trying to say, right? So this is really, really beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this so much. When I saw this red, I thought, I need to have this shirt in my collection. Great for the summer, great for springtime. Amazing. And next, I do have this one here. This is a beautiful, gorgeous striped shirt. Wait until you see this on. Oh my God, I love it. This is an oversized shirt, but first of all, let me bring this close so you can see the size, and you can also see the price of this. Okay, this is a size small. It's $59. Okay, $59.90. Okay, size small. And whenever you're buying shirts that's oversized, always go down a size because you're looking for a particular fit. I love the stripe detail on this shirt. Beautiful, gorgeous. And I love the pockets because you do have the stripes going to the opposite direction on here. What I love mostly with this shirt, let me find the sleeves for you. Here we go. The sleeves is folded on one side almost, and you do have like a little pocket right here. It's just like a little style. You can undo this if you want, but no point because it's just a style of the shirt, and it falls almost like a bell sleeve. It's so cute, so beautiful, and I love the slit to the side, you know, so at least it's not going to feel too constricted. And of course, you can tuck this in if you want as well. Falls nicely to the back. It feels so comfortable on. Dress up, dress down from day to night. Oh my God, this is so beautiful, and I do love the beautiful, gorgeous, almost like a tie-dye button detail. Again, this is a size small, and it fits absolutely perfect. Love it. So cute from Zara, guys. This is so pretty. Love that. And I think the last thing I'm going to show you is this shirt, and this is also a silk shirt. This feels so soft. This is a size large. This was $39.90. Okay, Let's just bring that up so you guys can see this. Okay, and again, this is silk. This feels so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. This is a beautiful long sleeve shirt, and again, I just love the sleeves. I am looking for some little bit of style this spring summer, something unique, something different, and when I saw this I thought this is amazing. And of course you can fold the sleeves up if you want. And what I love about this shirt, as you can see in the video, it has a beautiful V-neck to the front almost. This is a shirt. You don't ever see shirts with a little bit of a V-neck thing happening, but that's what this shirt is giving you. It's very, very, very pretty. Love the colors. It's blue and white, and the straps are actually going in the same direction. Beautiful long sleeve. It's so comfortable. Oh my god. Again, dress up, dress down from day to night, and you can go places with this shirt. I mean, you can even take this to a wedding. A beautiful white pair of leggings, white pair of trousers, jeans, anything you want, you can dress this up. And it has plenty of room in the neck for jewelry. Very, very, very pretty. Again, this is from Zara, so I got this one here. This is the cotton striped shirt, and of course I got the red one. Very, very, very nice, and I cannot wait to wear these. Soon as the weather hits 20 degrees, I am just going out with no coat. I am just so tired of the winter. Anywho, this is the end of the video, guys. This is everything that I wanted to show you. These perfumes, please, please, I beg you guys to get one of these perfumes from Zara. You can get either the Go Fruity or Wonder Rose. You are not going to regret it, guys. You are going to absolutely love these scents. They are amazing. Everything we talk about in today's video, I'm going to link in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know which one of these things are your favorites. I know you're going to love everything we talk about today. I know it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, everything is going to be down below for you guys. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Bye.